You don't need us to tell you how horrible this economy is right now. With how shaky job stability looks like for everyone, it's hard to rely on consistent long-term primary employment. Now is the time for us to take control of our personal economy, our futures, our money, our legacy. Now is the time to create change. The current system is not cutting it. One revolutionary business model among the rest has continued to work in times of chaos and instability for the past century. That model is network marketing. Network marketing is a $183 billion industry worldwide and creates more six-figure earners than any industry in the world. And it's not just about the money, it's about the independence and growth you achieve from this line of work. Stop trading your time for money. Stop punching a clock for a boss you don't like or a company that may fold. You can make your dreams a reality today by being your own boss. Network marketing teaches essential life skills that can be applied to any area of your life, creating stability and growth. But it's not just about you. Each successful person in this industry all share the same belief. They genuinely want to help other people better their lives through personal growth and an open path to financial freedom. This industry is based on selflessness. Zig Ziglar, a legend in the network marketing profession, said, "If you help enough people get what they want, by default, you'll get what you want." Right now, there is a revolutionary company opening doors for everyone to grow, to succeed, to stabilize, and to dream. That company is called Economy. Economy is an American-based financial wellness software company. We help people save and manage their money. Our founder and CEO, Hassan Mahmoud, saw a huge gap in Forex and cryptocurrency trading. So our team built groundbreaking tools to help make all of us profitable in the financial markets and beyond. Economy is constantly adapting to fit our lifestyle, and if you want to make an extra source of income, we can teach you exactly what it takes to do that. It's similar to Costco, where you buy a membership to get access to wholesale products in order to save money. But with Economy, we're buying a membership to get access to a multi-million-dollar FX and cryptocurrency platform backed by powerful and successful experts. So instead of wasting millions or even billions of dollars on marketing and advertising, Economy simply empowers, encourages, and even pays its members to enjoy and share our amazing revolutionary products. We secured the best Forex education providers in the world and partnered with a world-class, generationally successful marketing company to bring amazing Forex education, professional tips, and live trading sessions. We actually pay you to share these services with friends and family. It's something we do on a daily basis, whether you realize it or not. It's called word-of-mouth advertising, or as I like to call it, the Shareconomy. Think of social companies like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, now worth billions of dollars, all because people like you and I shared it with our friends. When you see value in a company or product, you genuinely want to share that experience with someone else. It's that simple, but you have an opportunity to also build on that and create a like-minded organization of friends and family where you help each other grow, develop, earn money, and have a lot of fun in the process. Now we'll get into the fun part, making a residual income with Economy. It's sort of like having tenants pay you monthly rent on your investment properties. But let's face it, most people don't have the capital to invest in real estate. That's where we come in. Economy gives you the opportunity of a lifetime designed to help you build a residual income by saving money and sharing that concept with others. So let's go back to the Costco example. Say the first Costco opened in your town, and instead of putting ads on billboards, in newspapers, and on television, someone referred you to their membership. You already paid $120 for the executive membership to Costco, but what if Costco said, if you bring in 3 new members of your own that would enjoy the benefits anyways, your subscription could be free or even generate income? That'd be pretty amazing, right? And easy. That's how Economy works. We run on a very basic concept of bring 3, help 3, get 3. What that means is by bringing 3 people into your business, your $99 subscription to Economy is now free. But here's where it really gets exciting. Those 3 people you brought into the business aren't going to sit back and do nothing. They'll want to get their subscription for free too, so you'll want to help them get their 3 people. And this process is duplicated throughout your organization. When you have a total of 20 people in your organization, you'll be making a residual income of $500 a month. A minimum of $500 every month. How would an extra $500 benefit your life? Would it help pay for food, rent, or gas? Studies found that an extra $500 a month could have helped move 90% of people that filed for bankruptcy out of bankruptcy. That is life-changing. and that income is earned from giving people tools to help them make money in the Forex and cryptocurrency market. From $500 a month to $1 million a month. This is performance-based income, and you can duplicate this process as many times as you want, without constraints of all the crazy stuff happening around us. But remember, you're not in this business for yourself. There are thousands of economy members, all looking for the same thing: financial and time freedom. We live in this share economy. Use the social tools you already have to help build yourself a portal to financial freedom today. With Economy,